Hi guys, welcome in Malacca. This place is bursting with stories from way back when. Imagine a city where different cultures mixed up like a big. From an ancient empires to cool old buildings, Malacca's got it all. You have got buys from the Portuguese, Dutch, and British times still standing tall. And today, it's not just a story. It's a buzzing city with markets, delicious food, and a vibe that's both old school and modern. So stick around. We are diving into Malacca's amazing mix of history and today's buzz. Get ready to explore a place that's full of surprises and stories waiting to be uncovered.
Yes.
This is for a friend from France. My all-time favorite.
J'adore.
I see trees are green and red roses blue. I see a bamboo for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies are blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed days, dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry, and I watch them grow. They learn much more, and I never know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah.
Nice.
One of the most pleasant stuff to do is hanging along the riverside of the Malacca River, where if you are looking for them, you can watch some water monitor. At night, it becomes a good place to take a drink. You can easily find Guinness and Carlsbergs because they got factories in Malaysia.
Sorry.
Hi guys! She just said to me that in soon time I will have no hair on my head.
Yeah, but look, there is a hole.
Yeah, fuck you.
Poor guy.
So I will try to enjoy my breakfast with that sad news. I don't know if I will succeed. She's not cute with me.
So what did you take?
Titaric. Without sugar normally.
I took the iced coffee.
And yeah, it's without sugar, really.
Oh, he's stealing my food, my drink, not my food.
And there is no sugar too. Ah, je veux pas parler?
Si tu veux parler.
Why?
Je sais pas. Bon, Quentin doesn't want to talk. So, we're just in Patma's restaurant for breakfast. And we order like tetaki, which is the
Titaric.
Titaric, yeah. This is the tea they are drinking here. And I got like egg and onion roti. And Quentin ordered like butter and kaya, but he got an egg sandwich instead. So it's still okay, I think. And I think it's some curry. Well, enjoy your meal.
Getting ready to climb the stair to go to a famosa, which was built in early 16th century by the Portuguese, who were controlled the area. She's drunk. It's 10 to 1 and she is already drunk. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
No quitter sans osario, j'ai sens qui maintenant tout est fini, now ici. Et j'entends siffler le train, et j'entends siffler le train, j'entendrai siffler ce train, tout est ma vie.
Today we are trying another specialty from here. So this is sour and spicy fish. I don't remember the name, but it's supposed to be good. So this is stingray, and I think this is mackerel, and with one portion of rice. So we will try. So today we're going to the swimming pool and to the gym with the hostel. So we got like free access to go. So we just rented the bicycles and we're going. It's about 10 minutes bicycling from the hostel, and I'm sure it's gonna be nice. Smile to the camera.
It's beginning?
So, sorry, we already tried. This is coconut shake. It's very refreshing because there is the coconut ice cream inside.
I guess, I don't know what is it under.
I think it's also water Like
No, it's more ice.
ice?
Yeah.
It's good.
It's beginning to be water with the warm outside.
Hop.
Nice photo.
He's supposed to talk, but it's okay.
No. Yum yum.
We took
Ice cream, sandals.
one each. So we're going to see the sunset at the mosquee, the floating mosquee, but it seems to be complicated to choose the bicycle. They have so many, but most of them are like not in the best condition, so that's funny. So we finally left. I think it took like 10 minutes or more, but here we are on the way. Let's go. So guys, I know you can't see me, but we reached the mosque at time, well a bit late, but still at time, and it's very beautiful.